How to remove shows from Peacock TV on continue watching list. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove the shows that you're watching from the continue watching list on Peacock TV. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. Now let's get into the video. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your Peacock TV, and this will be your home screen. And the first thing you need to do is sign into your account or log into your account. On the top right you'll see the sign in option, so go ahead and tap on it. Once you are signed in, you will get your customized homepage and the movie shows recommended to you. Now on the bottom you'll see the continue watching list, and if you want to remove any shows or movies from your continue watching list, the first thing you need to do is open the show or the movie. So there is no direct way to remove the show, or there is no particular button to remove the show or the movie from your continue watching list, but what you can do is drag your seek bar right to the end, and once you do that, the Peacock TV show will take it as you've watched the entire movie and it will be removed from the continue watching list. Or if it's a TV show that you're watching, you just want to head over to the last episode of the show and then drag this to the end. And once you do that, it will be registered as completely watched and it will be removed completely from your continue watching list. So that's pretty much it guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.